Hi boys and girls, it's Wednesday. Today we're going to take what we've learned on Monday and Tuesday and we're going to combine it together and we're going to have multiplication and division word problems. So today you can solve a multiplication division word problem by using close reading. So how can you tell the difference between a multiplication and a division word problem? Think about that. How can you tell the difference? One of the things is that we can use our little sheet here that kind of helps us. Some of them are the same. Most of these are different words for each side. And so that's one thing. Another one is on the division problems, we're given a total number of cups of dog food or the total number of books right at the very beginning. It's the very first number that they give us. And that's kind of a trick to kind of know, little secret. So let's go on. Here is this little worksheet that I've got here printed off because I'll be using it, so I don't have to keep going back to this. But this is a nice thing to keep going back to. So if you need to keep going back to this part of the video, that's good, or write these words down. So multiplication keywords are these words: times, each, product, area, multiple, multiplied by, twice, doubled, tripled, per, factor, in all, altogether. Division keywords are as much, cut up, divided by, each group has, half, how many in, each part, quotient of, separated, share equally, and split. It's here and it's here. So other than that, they're different. They have different words. So hopefully that'll help you out. So here's a really cool little diagram to show you, to let you know which one you do. So it says, do I multiply or divide? First you have to read the question. Then, do we know the total amount? If you know the total amount, like there's 56, that's a total amount of whatever it might be, books. Yes. What is it? And then you're going to, do you know how it is being split or separated? You're going to divide. If you don't have a total amount, the answer is no. Then you go down. Do you know the number of groups, the amount in each group? Then you're going to multiply. So another good page to be able to go back to. So let's try to solve one of these. I'll bring up that paper too. Casey had 5 friends. She was making a necklace for each of them. Each necklace took 9 beads. How many beads will she have? So when I look at my little keywords here, I can already see that the word each is there, but let me go through and circle my numbers. She has 5 friends. She was making necklaces for each of them. Each one took 9 beads. I have different labels. I've got this word each of them here, each here. So, do I have all of my friends there, like a total number of friends? It's my biggest number here. Not really. I have 5 friends, but I don't have the total number. And beads, I don't have a total number of beads. I just know that she's going to make some beads for the friends. And it wants to know how many beads will she need. So when I go through here and I read the question, and do we know the total amount? We don't know the total amount, so go to no. Do you know the number of groups? She was making a necklace for each of them. It took 9 beads. Oh, that's my amount for each group, so I need 9 beads for each person. So I'm going to multiply. So I'm going to have 5 times 9 to give me my answer. And I'm going to do some skip counting so I can count by 5s. I'm just going to do it on my fingers real quick. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. I can skip count by 5s. So 45, go back to our question. How many beads will she need? I'm going to need 45 beads to help me out with this question. All right. Let's try another. There were 63 flashcards. Miss Canstick put 9 cards in each pile. How many piles will she make? So here I've got 63 flashcards. She has 9 cards. I've got this word in each pile. How many piles will she make? Okay, so I'm going to go back over here. I've got the word each. Each isn't going to really help me because it's in both of these sides. But I'm going to read the question. We did that. Do we know the total amount? Did we have a total amount here in this case for flashcards? Yeah, we have a total of 63 flashcards. Then she's going to take these flashcards and she's going to put 9 in each pile. So I'm dividing 63 flashcards divided by 9 piles, or 9 cards. How many piles will I have? Oh boy, these are always big numbers. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we're going to divide that 63 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So she is going to make 7 piles. Wants to know how many piles will she have. Okay, next problem. Miss Linder had 36 popsicles. She was giving them out to 6 students. How many will each student get? I've got 36 popsicles, and she was giving them out to 6 students. So when I go over here and it says how many will each student get, okay, these division words are not helping me because I've got this each again that's in both of them. But I can check to see, after I've read my question, do we know the total amount? Do we have a total amount of popsicles or students? We do. There's a total of 36 popsicles. So when I'm on this side, it means I'm going to divide. Yes, what is it? The number is 36 divided by, I have 6 students. So the 6 students are each going to get how many popsicles? Wow. So we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are each of my students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each student is going to get 6 popsicles. Total 6 of them. I hope they're hungry or hot. That's a lot of popsicles. Okay. Miss Smith likes to read 3 chapters of a book every evening. How many chapters will she read after 6 evenings? So Miss Smith has 3. She's reading these 3 chapters of her book. And then she's going to do this 6 different evenings. I have different labels there, and it says that she's going to do this every evening. Do I have the word every over here? I don't think I do. That might be one that might help me. So she likes to read her book. So when I've read this question, do we know the total amount? Is 3 the total of our number, of our amount of chapters in the book? No. It doesn't give me the total number of chapters in the book. It just tells me that each evening she likes to read 3 of them. So I don't have a total. I'm going to go over here to multiplication. Do we know we've got 3 chapters? We're going to multiply that by the 6 evenings to get our answer. We can do skip counting where you can count by 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and I got to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's going to be 18 if I counted by skip counting. If you guys have ever done that before, whoops, 12, 15. And you can go back and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you keep going. All right, so she's gonna be reading 18 chapters after 6 evenings. So 18 chapters. A lot of reading. She'll probably get done with that book in no time. All right. Miss Howard's son likes to eat 3 apples a day. If he doubles how many he eats in a day, how many apples would he eat? So he is going to eat 3 apples a day. If he doubles, here's that word doubles. How many will he eat in a day? If he doubles, how many he eats every single day? How many apples would he eat? So here's that word double that I have here. So it lets me know multiplication. Again, I'll just go up here and make sure. Do we have a total amount? No, we have the 3. That's not our total. And so I know I'm going to go over here, I'm going to multiply. Do you know the number, how many groups there are, or the amount in each group? In this case, we're going to double. So Miss Howard's son likes to eat 3 apples a day. 3 of them a day, every single day. And do you remember what the number is for doubles? When we see the word doubles, it means 2. We're going to double it. So if I counted by 3s again, or if I said, well, this means I have 3 plus 3, and that's going to equal 6. So how many apples would he eat? 6 apples. That's a lot of apples. Miss Hart has 40 Sour Patch Kids. Ooh, those are yummy sour candies. She wants to organize them into rows. If she puts 8 in each row, how many rows will she make? So we've got these Sour Patch Kids. Are these the candies? Maybe these are stickers. I'm not even sure now that I think about it. And she wants to organize them into rows, and she's going to put 8 in each row. These are rows, okay? So how many will she make, or how many rows will she make? Let's go to our multiplication division little chart here. We read the question. Do we know the total amount? Is our first number a total? Yes, it is. So we're going to be dividing, in this case, 40 divided by our 8. Okay, and then we have this once again, that's not helping me when it comes to making my division, but this total helps me know. So how many rows will she end up making? Let's do our 41. Let's do a reverse array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. How many rows do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 5 rows. And that's what they're going to have. They're going to have, how many rows will she make? So it tells you right there, it's going to be 5 rows. And I go back to my question. Okay. So think back to the beginning of the lesson. What is the difference between multiplication and division? And what are you doing for each operation? So think back. Our multiplication and division, the difference is division has a total number that we're going to split, share, we're going to divide it up. And multiplication, we usually have 2 smaller numbers, and we're going to multiply those together to try and get our answer. So what would you do for each operation? Multiplication is multiply, and you can do your different strategies. Division, you can do your other strategies that you learned for that one, which are the reverse array. Addition, we can do the skip counting. Find whatever's going to be the fastest operation for you to be able to do. All right? Okay, so you guys have some more study island problems. You can keep working on those if you need to. Thanks.